A car is more than a machine. It's freedom, control, and intent. It reflects who you are today and how you move toward what's next. Because the future isn't just a destination, it's an attitude. Software-defined vehicles use real-time intelligence, adaptive systems, and predictive control to optimize safety, comfort, and performance on every drive. Through connectivity and real-time intelligence, vehicles anticipate the road, communicate with their environment, and adapt instantly. This is software-defined mobility. Layer 1 is the operational foundation, software that connects and controls the vehicle's hardware. It enables predictive safety, proactive upkeep, and systems that adapt to road conditions. Layer 2 adds intelligence and connectivity. Vehicles communicate with infrastructure, other vehicles, services, and the cloud, turning real-time data into smarter driving decisions. Layer 3 unlocks new connected services. Vehicles deliver real-time alerts, guide drivers to nearby charging and service stations, and enable personalized offers, creating smarter experiences and new monetization opportunities. Layer 4 focuses on the infotainment and user interface experience. From multi-app dashboards and augmented reality navigation to voice and gesture controls, vehicles deliver smarter interaction and engaging entertainment for every passenger.